Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable business mileage deduction audit checklist, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable the business mileage deduction audit checklist, start by gathering your driving records. Use a mileage tracking app or a spreadsheet to log every business trip. Record the date of each trip clearly. Note the starting and ending locations for each journey. Write down the purpose of each trip. Make sure to track both the miles driven and the total time spent traveling. Keep a running total of your business mileage throughout the year. At the end of each month, review your records for accuracy. Compare your logs against your calendar to ensure you haven't missed any trips. Organize your records by month for easy access during tax season. Familiarize yourself with the IRS standard mileage rates for the current year. Calculate your total deductible mileage by multiplying your business miles by the IRS rate. Prepare to document additional costs related to your vehicle, such as maintenance or fuel. Retain receipts for any business-related expenses incurred while driving. Store all mileage logs and receipts in a dedicated folder. Consider consulting with a tax professional to verify your calculations. Be aware of potential audit triggers, such as large discrepancies in reported mileage. Maintain your records for at least 3 years after filing your tax return. Regularly review your logging methods to ensure they remain compliant with IRS guidelines. Stay informed about any updates to mileage deduction policies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.